ओके, वेलकम टू अनअकैडमी। अनअकैडमी पे सबका स्वागत है। माय नेम इज़ दिलीप सिंह चौहान। आई एम ए ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम आईआईटी रुड़की एंड आई लव टू टीच फिजिक्स। फिजिक्स इज़ माय ओल्ड फ्रेंड। सो सबका स्वागत है अनअकैडमी पे। आप प्लस के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो। सो प्लस में आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें मिलने वाली है, देयर आर डेली लाइव क्लासेस, ओके, जिसमें आप अपने एजुकेटर के साथ इंगेज हो सकते हो। ओके, यू कैन आस्क योर डाउट्स, जो भी आपकी क्वेरीज हैं आप वहाँ पे ही लाइव सेशन में ही पूछ सकते हो और लाइव सेशन में इसको क्लियर कर सकते हो। देर आर लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेज, ओके, पोल बेस्ड क्वेश्चन भी है वहाँ पे, मॉक टेस्ट हैं, ठीक है। तो जिनसे आपको पता लगता रहेगा कि अच्छा हमारी तैयारी कैसी चल रही है। देर आर लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेज, जिनसे क्या होगा, आपका जो टाइम बाउंडेड सिलेबस है कि इतने टाइम में ये सिलेबस कवर होना है, सो यू कैन ईजिली स्ट्रक्चर योर कोर्स, ओके, कि जितने सारे एजुकेटर्स के अलग अलग कोर्स हैं जिनका सबका एक्सेस आपको मिलता है। So you are getting unlimited access. That means you will be getting access to all the live and recorded session of every educator. Okay, you can choose कि आपको किन से पढ़ना है, and you can subscribe to Iconic as well. So what will be the difference between Iconic and Plus? In Iconic you will be getting a personal mentor जो आपकी हेल्प करेंगे थ्रू आउट योर जर्नी। ओके, यू विल बी एनालिसिंग योर टेस्ट, आपका टेस्ट एनालिसिस होगा जो कि आपकी टाइम मैनेजमेंट क्या है, एग्जाम अप्रोच आपका क्या है, वो जो है आपको पता लगता रहेगा, जिससे आप में इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, फीडबैक सिस्टम से आप में इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा। एंड यू कैन गेट योर कस्टमाइज स्टडी प्लान। दैट मीन्स कि आपको कहाँ कहाँ वीक पॉइंट्स आपको लग रहे हैं, वहाँ पे आप जो है अपनी ज़्यादा मेहनत लगा सकते हैं और अपने आप को ज़्यादा एस कर सकते हैं इस एग्ज़ाम के लिए। ओके, एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग ऑल द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ प्लस। दैट मीन्स कि प्लस के सारे बेनिफिट्स आपको मिलेंगे इसमें। एडिशनली यू विल बी गेटिंग ए पर्सनल मेंटोर। ओके, सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर फॉर आइकॉनिक। आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू गो फॉर ए लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान, ओके, जो आपके लिए इकोनॉमिकली बेनिफिशियल होगा। एंड सिलेबस भी इतना वास्ट है, एंड यू कैन यूज माई कोड DS01 टू अवेल अ डिस्काउंट। This is the structure for plus. Again, you can choose any of these plans: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. It's your choice. But a long-term plan will help you know, completing your syllabus. और ये इकोनॉमिकली भी बेनिफिशियल आपके लिए रहेगा. So you can go for a long-term plan and you can use my code DS01 to avail the discount. Okay, and you can download the Unacademy Learning app from Play Store. It's free. It's free. I recommend you go and download it. Okay, and you can just subscribe to Alpha Achievers batch. Okay, it is started on December 15th. Okay, तो नीट 2021 के जो एक्सपर्ट्स हैं यहाँ पे, वो आप ये क्रेश कोर्स लेके आए हैं जो ड्रॉपर्स हैं स्पेशली। ओके, सो अल्फा अचीवर्स बेच आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं जो ड्रॉपर्स हैं, जिनके लिए फास्ट फॉरवर्डेड स्टडीज आपको चाहिए होती है। ऐसा जिसमें जैसे ड्रॉपर्स होते हैं उनके अलग दिक्कतें होती हैं, ड्रॉपर्स को जो सिलेबस अपना थोड़ा सा अलग स्पीड में चलाना होता है क्योंकि उन्हें काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें पहले से आ रही होती है। सो इट हैज़ स्टार्टेड ऑन 15 दिसंबर। यू कैन इनरोल इन द बैच। ओके, सो दीज आर द टॉप एजुकेटर जो आपको पढ़ा रहे होंगे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, जिनकी एक्सपीरियंस का आप फ़ायदा ले सकते हैं। ओके, ये क्रेश कोर्स आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल हो सकता है। ओके, सो दीज आर ऑल द रिनोड फैकल्टीज जिनसे आपको बहुत अच्छा गाइडेंस मिलेगा एंड यू कैन ज्वाइन इन। सो आई सजेस्ट यू टू suggest the droppers to join the course. Okay, so let's start today's session. Today we are going to discuss NCERT electrostatics NCERT. So welcome everyone, good afternoon. Okay, so today we are going to discuss problems from NCERT of electrostatics. Okay, so these are the questions from NCERT chapter 1 इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस एंड फील्ड्स इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स। हम दोनों 1 और 2 चैप्टर को मिला के इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स बोलते हैं। सो मैंने एक नाम दे दिया इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स। सो बेसिकली इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स दैट मीन्स द चार्ज will mostly will be stationary. Okay, the charge will not be moving, q won't move. If q moves, there are other things that will come into the count, so charge will be static. So these are the questions. So let's start from 1.1. I hope you guys will be able to answer the question. What is the force between two small charged spheres having charges of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in the air? This is the first question and it's the easiest. Okay, hello Prasant. ओके, दिस इज द इजीएस्ट प्रॉब्लम. आपको सिर्फ एक फॉर्मूला याद होना चाहिए. इफ यू नो द फॉर्मूला, कूलम्ब्स फॉर्मूला, k q1 q2 by r square, which gives the force between two charges which are placed at a distance r. Okay, the force will be k q1 q2 by r square. If you know the value of k, okay, q1 q2 is given, r is given, you can easily answer the problem. Okay, yeah. जल्दी से आंसर देंगे. 1.1. गुड इवनिंग श्रेयासी पात्रा. ओके, गुड इवनिंग. Okay, the first 1.1 is very easy. Two charges are given. There is charge q1, there is charge q2. Distance between them is r. So we have been asked to tell the force. What is the force acting between these two charges? So we know the force is k1 q2 q2 by r square simply. Okay, so let me solve it for you guys. So F is simply k q1 q2 by r square, k q1 q2 by r square. This is the formula. So we know that k is 9 into 10 to the power 9. q1 is given, q2 is given. 9 into 10 to the power 9 into q1 is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7, 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. q2 is given, q2 is 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by r square. R is given, r is 30 centimeter. We have to put all the values in SI units. So 30 centimeter will be 0.3 meter. So 0.3 meter square. So simply we can solve it. So let's solve it. So this is 9 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, this is 9 into 10 to the power minus 2. So 9 will be cancelled out. Minus 2 power will go up. So this is 11. Okay, so 11 minus 14, this minus 14 is minus 3. So it's 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 newtons. This is the answer. I hope this is clearly understood. It's very easy. If you know how to calculate and how to manipulate the powers of 10, it's very easy. Okay, this is very easy problem. I hope this is clearly understood. Very easy, yeah. Okay, so this was the first question. q1 q2 was given. So we had to tell the force between these two charges. So we knew k, we knew q1, we knew q2, we knew r. So simply k q1 q2 by r square, and we are getting the force acting between these two charges is 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. So the problem number 2 is 1.2. The electrostatic force on a small sphere of charge 0.4 microcoulomb due to another small sphere of charge minus 0.8 microcoulomb in air is 0.2 Newton. What is the distance between the two spheres? What is the force on the second sphere due to the first? It's very easy. Very easy problem. So now we are dealing with 1.2. I hope you guys will be able to answer the this problem. Okay, it's very easy. It's very easy, yeah. 1.2. Okay, we are dealing with question number 1.2. It's very easy. I hope you guys will be able to answer the question. It's very easy. The electrostatic force on a small sphere of charge 0.4 microcoulomb due to another small sphere of charge minus 0.8 microcoulomb in air is 0.2 Newton. What is the distance between the two spheres? The force is given, q1 is given, q2 is given. We know F is equal to k q1 q2 by r square. We can easily find r. What is the force on the second sphere due to the first? It's given that first sphere is experiencing a force of 0.2 Newton. Then definitely we know that by Newton's third law of motion, third law of mechanics, that the force has to be in pair. Okay, if these two charges should apply same and opposite forces on each other. So 0.2 Newton will be the answer of B. We know that. So what is the answer for first? I'm going to solve this problem right now. So F is simply k q1 q2 by r square. Everything is given. We have to find r square, so we can easily find r from r is simply k q1 q2 divided by force, और ये पूरा root में. Okay, this is the distance between the two charges. So everything is given. We know q is very 9 into 10 to the power 9. q1 is given, q2 is given. q1 is minus 0.8, q2 is 0.2. So 0.8 micro है, so minus 6, and 0.2 and 0.4 micro coulomb, so 0.4 micro है and minus 6. Okay, divided by force is 0.2 Newton. So I can write 0.2 as 2 into 10 raised to power minus 1. So we can solve it now. So ऐसे देखिएगा, -1 ये 10 हो जाएगा पावर, दिस इज 10 डेफिनेटली. सो 9 इंटू 10 raised to power 10, ये बाहर आएगा 3 इंटू 10 raised to power 5. रूट से बाहर ले लिया मैंने. नाउ ये 0.8 इंटू 10 माइनस सिक्स है, तो ये बाहर एक -6 बाहर आ जाएगा, 10 raised to power -6 बाहर आ गया, ये स्क्वायर दोनों से. 0.8 into 0.4, so I can write it 32 simply 32 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Okay, this is 32 into 10 raised to power minus 2, so it's 16 divided by 2 होगी ना अपना, तो ये हो जाएगा 16 simply 16 into 10 raised to power minus 2. तो 16 से बाहर आएगा तो बनेगा 4 into 10 raised to power minus 1. So simply it's 12 into minus 7 into minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 minus 2, so it's 0.12 meter. This is the answer. Okay, this is the distance between these two charges. It's very easy. If you can manipulate the power of 10, it's very easy. Yeah, 0.12 meter. Yeah, no Soham, no. The answer for B, this is the answer for 1.2a. Okay, this was the answer for 1.1. Okay, so for answer for 1.2b will be, what is the force on the second sphere due to the first? Okay, so answer for 1.2 b we can write, दो चार्जेस हैं, इस पे 0.2 न्यूटन लग रहा है, सो डेफिनेटली इस पे भी कितना लगेगा, 0.2 न्यूटन. सो आंसर फॉर बी इज 0.2 न्यूटन. ओके, so we have answered 1.1, we have answered 1.2a, we have answered 1.2b. Now let's move on 1.3. 1.3 is, check the ratio ke square upon gme mp is dimensionless. Look up the table of physical constants and determine the value of this ratio. What does the ratio signify? It's a very good question. Okay, it's a conceptual, more in-depth question of physics. These questions were formula-based problems. Okay, here you can get some insights of physics. So it's a very good question. I hope you guys will be able to answer the problem. Yeah, same force लगेगा. Yeah, 1.3 आंसर करिएगा शुभम. Answer 1.3. It's a very good question. बोलिए. सोहेल खान, आई एम गुड. हाँ 0% डाउट. शुभम, के स्क्वायर जी एम ई अपॉन एम पी का रेशियो बताना है. इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रॉब्लम. ओके, देखिए कौन आंसर बताता है इसका. इट्स अ वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड प्रॉब्लम. ओके, बोलिए क्या होगा? It's a very good question. 1.3 is a very amazing problem. Okay, it will give you insights in so many things. Okay, MKD Tamil, cool. Okay, MKD Tamil. So please answer question number 1.3. It's a very easy problem, but it's a very important problem. Okay, if you are able to, remember the values of K, which is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, the charge E, the value of G, gravitational constant, the mass of electron, the mass of proton, you can easily find the ratio. Okay, just tell me the ratio. 2.2 into 10 raised to the power 39. Okay, so I'm saying, okay, the order is 10 raised to the power 39. That's what you are trying to say. Okay, this 2.2 is not that significant. You just have to tell me the, order. What is the order of this ratio? So MKD Tamil, what is the ratio of, this quantity? Ke square over G me upon mp. We know the value of K, we know the value of E square, we know the value of G, we know the value of me, we know the value of mp. Okay. Okay, cool. Let me solve it now. It's a very good question. Okay, just pay very good attention what I'm trying to convey. Okay, so let's say there are two particles of first is electron, which is mass electron and charge E. This is electron and this is a proton. Okay, charge of the proton will be same as of electron. It will be positive, it will be negative, but we are, just we are interested in the ratio, so we are not concerned about the sign of these charges. The mass of proton is mp, the distance between them is say r. Okay, so this is electron, this is proton. So this is electron, this is proton. Force of gravity between these two, gravitational force between these two charges, these two masses me and mp, then I will write the gravitational force between these two particles is g m1 m2, so it's me mp over r square. Okay, this is equation number 2. So if I divide 1 by 2, so let divide 1 by 2, then what will I get? Okay, so the ratio will be in this direction, in this side the electrostatic force upon the force of gravity, which is equal to ke square. R square will be cancelled out because it's the same in these two forces, so ke square upon g me mp. So first beautiful thing about this ratio is we have been asked the ratio of ke square over g me upon mp, which we have found it's the ratio of electrostatic force to the gravitational force between two charges or two masses, which are electron and proton. Okay, let me find the order of this ratio now. So Fe upon Fg, I can write K is 9 into 10 raised to the power 9. E square is 1.6 into 1.6 minus 19 square is minus 38 divided by G, 6.67 minus 11 ME. uh, ME, the ratio is minus 31, MP minus 27. Okay, I am just putting the power of 10 here. Okay, we are interested in the order of this ratio. So this ratio, the order of this ratio will turn out to be around 10 raised to the power 39. Okay, this is a very important result. What does this ratio means? कौन बताएगा? Who will tell me? Okay, hello Creative India. What does this ratio mean? कौन बताएगा? Who will tell me? What do you understand by this ratio 10 raised to power 39? Tell me. What do you understand by this ratio? Fe over Fg is nearly equal to 10 raised to power 39. What do you understand by this thing? That has been asked in the problem. Okay? Determine the value of this ratio. We have determined it's 10 raised to power 39. What does the ratio signify? What do you understand by this ratio? Tell me. Hello, Sairam, Gori Sinde, Subham Chavan. Hi, hello. Tell me, what do you understand by this ratio? What does this ratio tell you? Okay, tell me. बताइए. Yes, Shreyasi Patra, exactly. That means, okay, that means there are four fundamental forces in nature. There are four fundamental forces that are found in nature. Can you tell me one by one? Can you tell me the four fundamental forces in their strength, which is more strong, okay, then less strong, then less strong, then less strong, okay? If you can arrange the forces in decreasing order, there are four fundamental forces. If you can arrange them in decreasing order, can you tell me which force is strongest, which force is on number 2, which force is on number 3, which force is on number 4? Can you tell me? Anyone? बताइए, कौन बताएगा? बोलिए, सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट फोर्स कौन सा है, फिर सेकंड नंबर पे कौन सा है, फिर थर्ड नंबर पे कौन सा है, फिर फोर्थ नंबर पे कौन सा है? टेल मी. श्रेयासी पात्रा, न्यूक्लियर फोर्स. चारों को अरेंज करिए. ओके, अरेंज द फोर फोर्सेज इन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. विच इज स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, विच इज वीकेस्ट? There are four fundamental forces: strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force, electromagnetism force, and gravitational force. Yes, Subham, exactly, you are correct. The strongest is the strong nuclear force, then electromagnetic force, yes, definitely, then weak nuclear force, then gravitational force. Yes, exactly. That means, देखो, electrostatic force जो है Fe is very greater than Fg. इसका मतलब electrostatic force is very greater than force of gravity. Okay, gravity के force से 10⁻39 times greater है. Okay, I hope this is clear. Cool. Now, this is the question number 1.4. Explain the meaning of the statement electric charge of a body is quantized. Why can one ignore quantization of electric charge when dealing with macroscopic, i.e. large scale charges? बोलिए. Explain 1.4a and 1.4b. Okay, explain 1.4a and 1.4b. Tell me. First question is explain the meaning of statement electric charge of a body is quantized. What do you understand by this? Then number 2 is why can one ignore quantization of electric charge when dealing with macroscopic, i.e. large scale charges? Yes, exactly. Yes, शुभम. देखिए, let's say this is a body. अगर यहाँ से चार्ज ट्रांसफर होगा, that means electrons are going out. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तो क्या होगा? ऐसे होगा ना, या तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर होगा, या दो इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर होंगे, या तीन इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर होंगे. सो Q is plus minus NE. That means charge is quantized. Charge has to be integer multiple of electric charge. Okay, that's why this is the meaning of electric charge of a body is quantized. And अब जब हम बड़े चार्ज की बात करते हैं, let's say we are talking about 1 coulomb. Okay, then 1 coulomb देखो कितना छोटा यूनिट है. 1 coulomb it's still इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज कितना होता है? 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. So it's very small. So when we use large scale charges, then we can neglect the quantization because the charge of electron is very small. Okay, इतना छोटा है कि हम जैसे 1 कूलॉम को है ना कंटिन्यूस मान सकते हैं कि 1 कूलॉम जो है छोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की एक वो बना हुआ है ना लाइन से. ओके, आपको बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स निकालने पड़ेंगे जब जाके इतना चार्ज आएगा. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन इग्नोर क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज व्हेन डीलिंग विद मैक्रोस्कोपिक i.e. large scale charges. Okay, I hope these two questions are answered. So we are moving on 1.5. 1.5 is when a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, charges appear on both. A similar phenomena is observed with many other pairs of bodies. Explain how this observation is consistent with the law of conservation of charge. बताइए 1.5 का क्या आना चाहिए? 1.5 का क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा? टेल मी, 1.5 के लिए क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा? बताइए 1.5 के लिए क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन दोगे आप? What will be the explanation for 1.5? Okay, so let me tell you. देखो 1.5 का सिंपल फंडा है कि दो बॉडीज है, तो चार्ज जो होगा, मान लेते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ से निकले हैं, लेट्स से 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ दिस बॉडी और ये यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. सो देखो यहाँ पे कैसा चार्ज आएगा? पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव. ये अगर यहाँ आ जाएंगे तो नेगेटिव नेगेटिव नेगेटिव. तो इक्वल एंड अपोजिट चार्ज जो है प्रोड्यूस हुआ है कहाँ से? इस वाले केस में किससे? फ्रिक्शन से ना, रब किया हमने तो फ्रिक्शन से. इक्वल एंड अपोजिट चार्ज जो है जनरेट होगा ऑन बोथ बॉडीज. दैट्स व्हाई चार्ज इज कंजर्व्ड. ओके, चार्ज इज कंजर्व्ड क्योंकि टोटल चार्ज इज कंजर्व्ड 0 हुआ ना. दिस इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर 1.5. ठीक है, कंजर्वेशन हो रहा है. यहाँ पे मान लीजिए यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन गए तो इधर +3 आएगा, यहाँ आएगा -3. सो इफ यू एड +3 with -3 we will get net charge equal to 0. That's why the charge is conserved. I hope this is understood. It's very easy. Okay, so let's move ahead. This is our next question. One point six four point charges QA, QB, QC, and QD are located at the corners of a square ABCD of side 10 centimeter. What is the force on charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of the square? It's very easy, very easy. Good evening, Yasser Khan. Tell me what will be the answer of 1.6? 4 point charges are given. The magnitude of charge is given. We have to tell that if we place a 1 microcoulomb charge at the center of square, what will be the force acting on this charge? 0. अभी देखते हैं. Okay. So 1.6, you have to tell the answer of 1.6. There are two charges A, B, C and D. So it's A, B, C and D. Charges are given. You have to tell there is a fifth charge on center. Okay, let the center be O. Then what is the force acting on this charge? Okay. Okay, great. Okay, let me solve it for you guys. Okay, so this is the square. This is the square. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So what are the charges? हम charge लिख लेते हैं. So A पे है 2 माइक्रोकूलम, 2 माइक्रोकूलम. B पे है -5 माइक्रोकूलम, -5 माइक्रोकूलम. C पे है 2 माइक्रोकूलम, 2 माइक्रोकूलम. D पे है -5 माइक्रोकूलम, -5 माइक्रोकूलम. Okay, so there are Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Four charges are there. Then there is a charge at center. Okay, center, which is 1 microcoulomb. Okay, this is 1 microcoulomb. Simply it's 1 microcoulomb. Now we can say that this distance is simply, yes, it's D. If we call this distance equal to D, then this distance will be equal to D as well. This distance is D as well, because these four distances are equal. This distance is D as well. Okay, so देखो, plus 2 microcoulomb, 1 microcoulomb. This charge here will repulse this charge. Okay, it will repel this charge in this direction along C. Okay, this is the force F of this 2 microcoulomb. This 2 microcoulomb will act in this direction with force F, exactly the same amount. The force will be of same magnitude but opposite in direction. That's why these two forces will be cancelled out. Now we can see here that this -5 microcoulomb will attract this 1 microcoulomb in this direction. Let's say this force is F dash. Then this -5 microcoulomb has the distance D exactly equal, which is between these two charges, 1 microcoulomb and -5 microcoulomb. That's why this force will be equal to F dash, equal and opposite. Okay, that's why these forces will be cancelled out as well. So F net will be equal to 0, because there is no net force acting on the charged particle, because there are four forces. There are two pairs, two which are acting in opposite direction. That's why the force will be 0 on this charge. Okay, I hope this is clearly understood. If you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, Rani Singh, good evening. Okay, cool. Then the next question is 1.7. An electrostatic field line is continuous curve. That is, a field line cannot have sudden breaks. Why not? Explain why two electric field lines never cross each other at any point. You have to explain 1.7a and 1.7b. Tell me, what will be the explanation for 1.7a and 1.7b? बताइए. बोलिए 1.7 ए का क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा? हाउ विल यू एक्सप्लेन 1.7 ए एंड हाउ विल यू एक्सप्लेन 1.7 बी? टेल मी. Okay. So 1.7a, the explanation for 1.7a is, देखो, if there is electrostatic field, let's say this is electrostatic field, then if we put a charge here, let's say this charge q, then it will experience a continuous force. Okay, continuous force is experienced. Okay, so the electrostatic lines cannot break, they will not break anywhere. Okay, if you put a charge, it will continuously experience a force. That means that the charge will not jump from here to here without any force. It has to you know feel some force at every point of electric field. So electric field lines has to be continuous. This is the explanation for 1.7a. For 1.7b, 1.7b is explain why two field lines never cross each other at any point. Let's say there are two electric lines. This is electric field 1 and this is electric field line number 2. So these are two lines. This is line 1, this is line 2. So let's say if they are crossing each other, then we know that tangent at electric field on electric field lines will give you the direction of electric field. So this is the direction of electric field on this point A, and if we draw a tangent here, we know that at point A there are two directions of electric field. Okay, so at a given point there cannot be two direction for electric field. Okay, at any point the direction of electric field has to be unique. Okay, we cannot say it's just like it's like saying that we have a particle, it's at two places at same time. This is the thing. So electric field has to be in one direction. There are two directions. If the electric lines field lines are crossing each other, then these lines cannot cross. That's why these lines cannot cross. So this is the explanation for 1.7b. I hope this is clearly understood. Let's move ahead. This is the next question. 2-point charges, 1.8 is 2-point charges QA and QB are located at some distance. What is the electric field at the midpoint O of the line AB joining the two charges? If a negative test charge of magnitude 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 9 coulomb is placed at this point, what is the force experienced by the test charge? It's a very easy question. I hope you guys are able to understand. So you have to answer 1.8. Hello army boy, hi. Tell me. हेलो रोहन राठौड़ हाय. ओके 1.8 सोल्व करना आपको. टेल मी क्या आंसर आएगा 1.8 का. Okay, so let me solve it. There are 2 point charges. QA is, this is QA, this is QB, this is 3 microcoulomb, and QB is minus 3 microcoulomb. Okay, distance between them is 20 centimeter. This distance is 20 centimeter. Okay, so you have to tell what is the electric field at midpoint O of the line AB joining the two charges. There is a point O which is a midpoint, that means this is 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter as well. Okay, so plus 3 microcoulomb minus 3 microcoulomb. Okay, so you have to tell electric field at this point. So we know that electric field is always away from positive charge. This is positive charge, so electric field will be in this direction, EA. EB, negative charge, the field of negative charge is always in the direction of negative charge, so EB will be in this direction. We know that EA and EB will be equal in magnitude Y. EA and EB are equal in magnitude Y because the charges, magnitude of these charges is same, 3, 3. The distance of this point from the charge is same, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. That's why the electric field of these two charges will be equal in magnitude at this point. Okay, so we can easily add these two charges to get the E net. E net is simply 2 into E of any of these two charges, EA or EB. Okay, we can write. You can write anything of these two. So simply E net is 2 into electric field is KQ by R square, 2 KQ over R square. So it's 2. K is 9, 10 raised to power 9. Q is 3 microcoulomb, 3 minus 6 for micro. R square 10 centimeter is 10 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meters, which is squaring. We will get 10 raised to power 2 for 10 centimeter. Meter में convert करेंगे, it will be minus 2. So square will be minus 4. So this is minus 2. So we can solve it easily. This is 54 into 9 minus 6, which is 3. 3 plus 2. 2 will go up, minus 2 will go and will become plus. So 11 minus 6 is 10 raised to power 5 simply. So I can write electric field is equal to 54 into 10 raised to power 5. Okay, this is the electric field at midpoint. I hope this is clearly understood. Tell me if there is a problem. Okay, so this is the electric field at midpoint. Cool. This was answer for 1.8a. 1.8a. Now we are going to solve the problem 1.8b. 1.8b. So we have been asked the force if we put a charge in some electric field E, then we know that force is simply Q into E. Q is given. Q is 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 9. So 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 9 into electric field, which we have calculated, 54 into 10 raised to power 5, which is 1.5 into 54 into minus 5, minus 4 will remain. So we can write 0, 81.0 minus 4. Simply it's equal to 81 into 10 raised to power minus 4 newtons. This is the answer for 1.8b. It's very easy. I hope this is clearly understood. Tell me if you have any problem. There were two questions. You can read them again. So now you have to answer question number 1.9. Hello, Prasant. Ajay Pratap. Additional exercises, yes, we will solve them as well. We will solve additional exercises as well. We will be solving every problem जो भी given है. Yes. You have to solve question number 1.9 now. It's very easy. Okay. So question number 9 is a system has two charges QA and QB of equal and opposite charge of 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb located at points A 0 minus 15 centimeter 0 plus 15 centimeter. What are the total charge and electric dipole moment of the system? It's very easy. It's a very easy question. You can easily answer the problem. It's directly formula based problem. Okay, let me solve it for you guys. देखिए, this is 1.9, problem number 1.9. So first we have to make the coordinate system. This is the coordinate system. Let's say this is y, this is x, and this is z. Okay, simply, and the coordinates are given in z and minus z direction. So we are plotting the minus z as well. Okay, let's say this is minus z. Okay, so there are two charges. Charge 1 is placed at point A 0 minus 15 centimeter. Okay, so 0 this is point A. Let's say this is point A. So it's 0 minus 15 centimeter. Okay, the charge 2 is here at point B, and the coordinates are 0 plus 15. So I can simply write 0 plus 15 centimeter. Okay, so QA and QB is given. QA is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 7. 2.5 Q is equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 7. QB is minus 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 7. So simply we have to calculate the dipole moment, total charge and dipole moment of the system. Okay, total charge, so minus, this is QB, this is QA. So total charge Q total is equal to 0. We can easily see the answer for first question is Q total will be 0. Why? Because this is minus 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 7. This is plus 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 7. The total charge is 0. This is the answer for first. So dipole moment will be equal to, dipole moment is equal to Q into D. Simply the charge of dipole and the distance between these 2 points. So plus 15 minus 15, this distance is 30 centimeter. We can easily see. So Q into D, Q is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 7. D is 30 centimeter, which is 30 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meters. So I can easily see that this is 25 into 3, 75. 75 into 10 raised to power minus 9. Okay, this is coulomb meter. This is the dipole moment. The direction will be from minus q to plus q. That means in this direction. Okay, minus k cap. So I can write P vector is equal to 75 into 10 raised to power minus 9 minus k cap. This is the answer. Okay, very easy. Yeah. Tell me if you have any problem with this question. Okay. Okay. This is the next problem, 1.10. It's an electric dipole with dipole moment 4 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb meter is aligned at 30 degree with the direction of a uniform electric field of magnitude 5 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. Calculate the magnitude of the torque acting on the dipole. It's a very easy question again. Very easy. Very basic. You can easily use the formula and get the answer. Yeah. 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. अभी देखते हैं. This is electric field. Let's say this is electric field E vector. If this is electric field E vector, and if we have dipole in this direction, let's say this is dipole P vector and angle between them is theta, then we know that tau vector is P cross E. Okay, so we can write tau vector is equal to magnitude of tau vector is equal to magnitude of P vector, magnitude of E vector, and sine theta. Okay, so this is the concept which will be used to solve this question. It's very easy. इधर लड़ाई मत करो, लड़ाई मत करो. ओके. हेलो उपमन्यु. मैंने हिंट भी दे दिया. आई जस्ट रिटन द फॉर्मूला एज वेल. यू कैन इजीली use this formula and answer. Okay, this is the hint. ओके, टेल मी क्या आंसर आएगा. सब लोग बताएंगे जल्दी से क्या आंसर आएगा. 10⁻⁻⁴. ओके, अभी देखते हैं. School life is the best life. I'm good. How are you? Are you out of school? Okay, Ajay Pratap is saying 10⁻⁻⁴. Let me solve it for you guys. देखिए, P vector is given. P vector is in this direction. E vector is in this direction. Let's say angle between them is theta, then torque vector magnitude will be equal to Pe sine theta, as I already told you. Pe sine theta. So simply we can use this equation, torque is equal to P sine theta, and get the answer. So torque is equal to P, which is 4 into 10 to the power minus 9, 4 into 10 to the power minus 9 into electric field is given. Electric field is 5 into 10 to the power 4, so 5 10 to the power 4 into sine theta. Sine theta, theta is given. Theta is 30 degree, so theta is simply 30 degree. So I can write sine 30 degree. So basically this will come out to be 20 into 10 to the power minus 5 into sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. So this is 10 into 10 to the power minus 5, which is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 Newton meter. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. This much torque will be acting on the dipole. I hope this is clear. Electrostatic force is central or non-central? Electrostatic force is central force. Gravity and electrostatic force are central. Okay. बोलिए, if you have any doubt, please ask. ओके गाइस, देखो जो लोग नए हैं वो लोग मेरा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ज्वाइन माय टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एट DC Physics JEE NEET. Okay, DC Physics JEE NEET, you can join, and I will send the PDF of the class and notes at this platform. Okay, so you are welcome. ठीक है, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं जो भी नए लोग हैं. So thank you so much for joining in today. Thanks. Okay, take care. Bye. कल मिलते हैं at 3 PM वापस इसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे with some more questions. Okay, so तब तक के लिए take care. Bye. Take care. Bye everyone. School life is the best life. Sir, my physics is very weak. Okay, हम मिल के इसको अच्छा करेंगे. You can join this group, Telegram group. Okay, जितने भी स्पेशल क्लासेज होगी, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन अनअकैडमी पे जो क्लासेज होने वाली है हमारी, उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन सारी मैं यहाँ शेयर करता हूँ. सो यू कैन ज्वाइन. बाय. सर, व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक ड्यू टू स्मॉल होल इन द स्फीयर? अजय प्रताप, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से? क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं आप? इस होल की वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो रहेगा वो इसके इक्वल ही रहेगा पूरा, जो पूरे की. लेट्स से कि यहाँ एक पॉइंट है, यहाँ आपने होल कर दिया है ना, तो यहाँ पे टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितना है? 0 है ना. तो इस होल का इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इसके इक्वल होना पड़ेगा, इक्वल एंड अपोजिट, जब भी 0 होगा. ओके Ajay, you can ask your questions, you can send your doubts at here on this Telegram channel. I will definitely solve your queries. Now we have to go. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. कल मिलते हैं ना. Bye. Okay. So we are ending the session from my side.